This is a critical moment. It is high time we started listening to each other's arguments more than to our own. It is natural in negotiations that positions harden as we get closer to crunch time. But the risk of breakup is real, because this process is indeed very fragile. Handle with care. What is broken cannot be mended. At stake is the United Kingdom's membership of the EU, a question which only the British people can and will decide. At stake is also the future of our European Union, where we will all have to decide together, and where we cannot and will not compromise on the fundamental freedoms and values.